नमो नमः। ईशोपनिषदध्ययनं द्वितीयो मंत्रः कुर्वन्नेवेह कर्माणि। स्टडी बाय एस.एल. अभ्यंकर। कुर्वन्नेवेह कर्माणि जिजीविषेच्छतं समाः एवं त्वयि नान्यथेतोऽस्ति न कर्म लिप्यते नरे। कुर्वन् एव इह कर्माणि जिजीविषेत् शतं समाः एवं त्वयि और एवं तु अयि न अन्यथा इतः अस्ति न कर्म लिप्यते नरे। वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम्। We have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः, अव्ययाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, तिङन्ताः, कृदन्ताः। इह नरः, this is implicit, कर्माणि कुर्वन् एव शतं समाः जिजीविषेत्। अयि एवं तु विद्यते, त्वयि एवं विद्यते, इतः अन्यथा न अस्ति, नरे कर्म न लिप्यते। कुर्वन् एव इह कर्माणि जिजीविषेत् शतं समाः। This can be better paraphrased as naraha iha shatam samaha jijivishet chet karmani kurvan eva jijivishet. Iha here, chet if, naraha one, jijivishet wishes to live, shatam samaha for 100 years, karmani kurvan doing karmani eva only. Evam tu ai, it is like this only, you see. Or evam tvai, it is like this for you too. Itaha anyatha, different from this, na asti, is not there. Na karma lipyate nare. Karma does not get anointed onto the person. This seems to be substantially straightforward. Just a couple of points to be noted. In Kurvan eva iha karmani jijivishet shatam samaha, kurvan is pullingam prathama ekvachanam of kurvat, shatra visheshanam of dhatuhu kru. Now dhatu kru is kru kru karane, to do, to make, bhvadihi, ubhaypadi, prathamaganiyaha ubhaypadi sakarmakaha anit. Kru kru himsayam, to kill, to destroy, to irritate, swadihi, panchamaganiyaha ubhaypadi sakarmakaha anit. This of course does not apply here. Kru, dukri, karane, to do, to act, to make, tanadihi, ashtamaganiyaha ubhaypadi sakarmakaha anit. This is the most commonly used for. Kru, dukri. Though kurvan is pullingam prathama ekvachanam, it can be put as kartrupadiya. However, since it is as karmani as karmapadiyam, karmani kurvan, the phrase karmani kurvan is a vakyamsha. So I thought it good to put kurvan as kurdantam and not in the kartrupadiya column. Jijivishet is vidhiling prathama purush ekvachanam of jijivish. Sanantadi, sannantati dhatu, sannanta atideshika dhatu, desiderative, from jiva, jivang, pranadharane, to live, to revive, to live upon, to survive. Bhvadihi, prathamaganiyaha parasmaipadi akarmakaha set. In shatam samaha, the word shatam is numerical adjective of samaha. Note, the cardinal number shatam has only plural forms that are common in all genders. Samaha is sama, a year, strilingam dvitiya bahuvachanam. Acharya Vinoba Bhave details in his Ishavasya Vritti that in Chandogya Upanishad 1-13, Ghorangirasa Rishi advocates Shatam Samaha of human life to be of 116 years, comprising 24 years of studentship, next 44 years of Karma Yoga, so up to the age of 68, next 48 years of thoughtfulness and meditation. He also quotes Adina Syama Sharadashatam from Shukla Yajurveda 36-24, meaning Jijivisha, the will to live, should be Adina, without handicaps and without dependency on others. The phrase Evam Tvai can also be split as Evam tu ai. One can take Vidyate or Asti Bhavati Vartate as the implicit word. With that, Evam, though an Avayam, has the sense of Kartrupadiyam, a subject word. Evam Vartate, Evam Vidyate. It is like this. So that it in the English construct is the subject. And here that function is served by the word evam also. So evam then fits to be Kartrupadiyam. That is why I have put that word in my tabulation above also in Kartrupadiyam. Now Swadhyaya, notes of self-study. One has to live. Karmani kurvan evam. Evam tvai. It is like this only. Itaha anyatha, different from this, na asti, is not there. In Gita also, nahi kashchit kshanamapi jato tishthatya karma krut. Karyate havashak karma sarva prakriti jairgunahi. Nahi kashchit kshanamapi jato tishthatya karma krut. No one, even for a moment, can stay not doing anything, a karma krut. Nahi deha bhuta shakyam tyaktum karmanya sheshatah yastu karma phalatyagi satyagi tyabhidiyate. This is in 18-11. Whosoever, whatsoever has a body, deha bhut, cannot forsake karmani. Karmani tyaktum na shakyam. What I have not understood is na karma lipyate. Karma does not get anointed onto the person. In Gita, karanam karma karteti trividha karma sangraha, 18-18. This line can be interpreted in two ways, due to two meanings of the word sangraha, constituent and repository. Karanam karma karta is the triad of constituents of karma. And then Karanam karma karta is the triad of repositories of karma. The second meaning is akin to karma lipyate nare, not na lipyate, lipyate nare, repository. Karma does get anointed to the person. So by this shloka, karma lipyate nare. For the first meaning, that is in respect of constituents of karma, karma sangraha, to mean constituents of karma, in 18-13 and 18-14, there are already 5 constituents of karma, not just 3 detailed. Panchaitani mahabaho karanani bodhame sankhye krutante proktani siddhaye sarvakarmanam. Panchaitani karanani siddhaye sarvakarmanam. 5 essentials for fulfillment of any karma. All karmani. Sarva karmana. And which are these 5 constituents, essentials? Adhishthanam tatha karta karananja pratakvidam vividhasya pratakcheshta daivam chaivatra panchamam. Among the 5 essentials are enumerated Adhishthanam, Karta, Karanam. The 4th one, Vividhasya pratakcheshta, is nothing but karma, actions. Cheshta, actions. And the 5th one is Daivam. Hence, meaning of 18-18 should be Karanam Karma Karta is the triad of repositories of karma. not the constituents, because constituents are 5 and these are detailed here in 1839. This then contradicts na karma lipyate nare in Ishopanishad, because if karta also is a repository of karma, then how can we say karma na karma lipyate nare? The statement na karma lipyate nare seems to have been better endorsed in Gita in brahmanyadhaya karmani sangam tyaktva karotiyah lipyatena sa papena si lipyatena padma patram vambasam. Here the phrase lipyatena is very much there. Here it is qualified by the condition sangam tyaktva. Yaha karmani sangam tyaktva karoti. Padma patram vambasam is a very picturesque simile for na lipyate. Because Padma Patram, the leaf of a lotus, it floats even on muddy water. But if you take it away, there is no mud attaching with it. It does not get anointed with the mud. So, Padma Patram iva na lipyate. Actually, the worry should not be for karma lipyate or na lipyate. The worry should be whether pape na lipyate. Acharya Vinova Bhave in his Ishabhati Vritti adds an interesting shade of meaning of the word nare equal to netari. Netru, leader, one having leadership qualities. Pullingam, netari is Pullingam Saptami Ekvachan of netru. In Gita, Sri Krishna Bhagavan is Neta, the leader, leading Arjuna to right action. And then he says, Namam karmani limpanti, name karma phale spruha, itimam yobhijanati karma bhirna sabadhyate. Karmani do not anoint him because he is a Neta, Naraha. Live life as a Neta, Naraha, and proceed to become Narayana. Grammatically, the sentence na karma lipyate nare is in passive voice. There is significance in that also. A natural question in the instance of passive voice is by whom? The answer is normally the subject word in active voice, which in passive voice is with the preposition by. In Sanskrit, the word is in Tritiya Vibhakti, in Karmani Prayoga. But here there is no such word. Absence of such word means the action, karma lipyate na lipyate va, is not predetermined. Isn't that grammatical smartness of employing passive voice when the prerogative of action is not to be vested with anyone, not with anyone else? Taking clue from this, we should rather read na karma lipyate nare in Ishopanishad as sangam tyaktva krutam karma nare na lipyate. That is, any karma, if it is done sangam tyaktva, with detachment of ego, then such karma nare na lipyate. Actually, sangam tyaktva is not just with detachment of ego, but also with total disinterest in results of karma. That is, disinterest in karma phalam. This advice to be disinterested in karma phalam is there in Gita very emphatically and repeatedly. Study of Gita comes handy to get proper interpretation of Upanishad. In the Samapana Vakyam of every Adhyaya of Gita, there is a word Upanishadsu. Om Tat Sat iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishadsu, suggesting that every Adhyaya of Gita is an Upanishad. Rather, Gita is the later edition of all Upanishads together. Does it mean that there is no need to study Upanishads if one has studied Gita? Maybe that is so. But no study is wasteful. Rather, the study should be of Gita and Upanishads together. The important advice in this mantra is Karmani Kurvanneva Jiji Vishet. It comes to mind that Lokmanya Tilak engaged himself and his time in the Mandale jail to write his commentary on Gita to exactly emphasize this point. That is why the complete title of his commentary is Gita Rahasya Tatha Karma Yoga Shastra, Karmani Kurvanneva. According to him, most of the previous commentaries emphasized too much on meditation, self-realization, etc. That made the intelligentsia to be oblivious of the rampant looting the Britishers were doing and were subjugating the subjects in all colonies, treating them as second-class citizens of the world. Freedom is my birthright, he wrote. What freedom he implied was freedom, first of thought and then by corollary, freedom of action, karmani kurvanneva, in the service of the society, for upliftment and betterment of the society, which also is endorsed in Chikirshur Loka Sangraham, Gita 3-25. See here, the word Loka Sangraha does not mean just constitution of the society. Sangraha, constitution. No. Loka Sangraha does not mean just constitution of the society, but reposition of the society. Reposition. Reposition of the society. Upliftment. Progress of the society. Interestingly, Karma Krutam for Lok Sangraha does not anoint the person. Narena lipyate. Karma lipyate or na lipyate depends on what the karma is, whether karma is for Loka Sangraha or not, whether Sangam Tyaktva or not. Shubhamastu.